coming to you live.
Oh my word, it's August? Really? What's happened to the time? We just can't believe how quickly this summer, the last few months have gone. We've been working and working and working. A lot in the UK, here a lot as well. We do lots of weddings and doing lots of wine pouring and welcoming people in this beautiful part of the world. So yes, Pepe.
Yeah, been put on hold a little bit in the heat as well.
Yeah.
I mean, it's murder out here, as you all know. Everywhere it's pretty hot.
Yeah.
We put everything on hold a bit.
Yeah.
Project's still getting there.
Yeah. I dream about Pepe all the time.
We had a major setback with our solar panels, which I can explain here or in another video. Suffice to say, we paid our money and nothing arrived.
Yeah.
So that set me back a lot. And
it wasn't just financially, it was also mentally, because it was actually, well, we can tell you the story now. My mum passed away last year, which was very sad. We used to call her Sunshine, that was her nickname. And she gave us a small inheritance. And we used that to buy the solar panels because it would have been a nice remembrance to have, to call our solar panel Sunshine in honour of my mum. And then this happened. It was tough. It was really difficult to swallow and to experience. Yeah, knocked you as well as me.
a bit of a blow, yeah. So we put everything on hold a bit. And also, every time you go up to the bus, you forget your screwdriver and then your hammer, and then you don't have a drill, and then the screws are too short. And down here, it takes like a day just to replace all those things. So that kind of stopped us, and we've just been working, man. We've put in a lot of hours now, which we need to do to pay for everything.
Yeah, we need the dineros to put into the bus.
So yeah, here's a quick update. This one is from March. That's one of the last ones we did anyway. But it's quite funny anyway. So stuff's moving.
We are going to pick up the speed again. We've got another month or so of really heavy working. And then we go on holiday for 2 weeks. We can't wait in our lovely landy. So stay tuned for those videos as well. But in the meantime, enjoy this video with Pepe.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, is this where we ease out of the screen?
Yes.
Okay, nobody noticed. I think it'll be fine.
Piece of wood just to finish it off. Summer has returned, it seems. It's a spring day and it feels like it's the middle of summer. But wow, we're making progress. This is just so exciting. I'm busy with the handles for the shower. Voila. So I've just sanded it down. So just come over here. We'll lift it up slightly and do the same on the back and the same on this side.
What
Simple.
is it?
This was from the hammock. We've got a hammock. So this was the hammock. This is now going to become our curtain for over here, which is quite fun. But we have this piece. So I'm using this rope for here for our little spice racks. So this will be our spice rack about here, and this will be for our vegetables, fruit and vegetables. So nothing will come falling out and get torpedoed by a banana. Nobody wants that.
What's happening?
Yeah, so you've got to get it exactly into little triangles. And you see how this one is now slightly longer than this one.
Disaster.
I tell you.
Underrated, this stuff, right?
Yeah?
Underrated.
What's underrated?
All this Zen stuff.
Yes. Or maybe overrated. It's not so zen.
The washing line, clothes rack is the best thing for this.
Oh, I don't have anything else really.
Good, that's top tip for today, man.
Yes. I was actually watching the videos at about 3 o'clock in the morning because you know sometimes you just can't sleep, and I inevitably end up thinking about the bus and what we can do and what needs doing, and this is one of the things that came up. Oh, you see now, that's not a good knot, mind you. They're all rather wonky. Yeah, so I'm using the wood that was for this. The end piece is nicely rounded, and they happen to fit here exactly, which is just a bargain. So yes, little bit by little bit we're making progress. And the shelves are in. So these will be Marcel's clothes drawers, and these two cupboards will be my clothes drawers. We've got a hanging space over here, and we've specifically gone with super skinny coat hangers so they don't take up too much space. So we have 5 each. That's not a lot. So we need to choose very carefully what we want to take with us. So Bobby's mirror that she gave us a long time ago happens to be a porthole style. I mean, whoever would have guessed? So thank you, Mum. This is part. So this is the only real mirror that we actually have. We might have another one that's better for close-up work, you know, like the dude when he needs to shave or something. But this is going to come over here. I mean, it was made for this. I mean, how perfect can it be? Yay.
Finally, we have our high-tech solution to black out the windows. It helps a huge amount with the sun. Yeah, well, there you go. That's how high-tech it is at the moment. Go on then, go on.
Go ahead, make my day.
So yeah, and the back as well. Massive windows, obviously, so we're trying to just block that off. These are just the mock-ups, and we need to find a solution to make it look a bit more pretty.
Oh, yeah, no, that'll come.
Well, you might be wondering why we still don't have chairs, and the reason is this. Finally, the last little bit of flooring here, and on the passenger side, so that little angle, as it were, now that's covered with some vinyl as well. Now we've got all the flooring done. That's all these little details are just holding up everything. So now that's done. Now we can think about our chairs. Eventually we need some chairs.
So what are we doing in the footwell?
The footwell is nothing. It's
What?
footwell. Come on, that's a big deal.
I want
yeah.
toasty toes.
We'll put a nice thick floor mat, like a real car floor mat in there. I think that's a lot more hard wearing, especially with the driver's side where you're constantly on the pedals. And on this side as well, it's just a big square open area, so that shouldn't be too difficult. But a nice floor mat would also give us a bit of insulation.
But it'd be better to do that now before we put the chairs in.
And it's probably better to do before the chairs, but it never works out that way, man. The floor was going to go in last.
Yes.
Look where we are.